3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
In English, there are 26 letters and 24 consonants. These consonants can be classified into 5 main parts. First, plosive. Second, nasal. Third,
FRICATIVE.
fourth, affricates. Fifth, approximants. Plosive sounds are the sounds which cannot be sustained and has popping quality. For example,
B,
B,
D,
D,
G.
G,
nasal sounds in which the escaping air passes through the nasal cavity. These sounds are called nasal sounds. For example,
Mm, 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 mm.
FRICATIVE.
are the sounds in which the air escapes through the mouth through a narrow passage with friction or turbulence. For example,
Mm,
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 Z,
G,
affricates. These are the sounds which are combination sounds formed by the tongue tip over the alveolar ridge and released with friction slowly. These sounds are called as affricates. For example,
Ch,
G,
G,
the fifth group is called approximants. These are group of 4 sustainable sounds. For example,
M,
mm,